Now, let's look at the pictures you formed. Look at the poultry house. What shape is the floor plan mostly made of? Okay, Lynette?
It is a rectangular, ma'am.
Okay. So, correct. In the picture picture, do you see just one big room or is it divided? Charlie?
It is divided into smaller sections or pin, ma'am.
So why do you think if we divide the piggery into sections? Kiana?
To separate the big pigs from the small pigs so they don't fight, ma'am.
Very good point. So now, imagine if the carpenter built this house without a drawing or a plan. What might happen? Joanne?
The house might be crude, ma'am, or maybe the materials will be wasted.
Precisely. So why it is important to have a layout plan or a drawing before we build? Kabosas?
It is important so that the construction is accurate and we know exactly where to put the feeders and waters.
And when we draw this plan, should we just scribble it or use a ruler? Camposo?
We must use a ruler to be accurate and